Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how to print from ClickUp, whether you just need a single task, your whole task list, or even one of your ClickUp docs. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 clear methods to get your ClickUp information onto paper or save it as a PDF, so you can share, review, or archive your project details outside of the app. Let's dive right in and make this as easy as possible. So let's start with the basics, printing an individual task in ClickUp. First, you'll want to open the task you need. Just click on the task from your list and it'll pop up in a window. Now up at the top right corner, you should see a button with 3 little dots. That's the options menu. Give that a click and from the drop-down menu, choose Print. This lets you print all the details of that specific task. Think of it as creating a physical or digital snapshot of everything inside the task, like descriptions, comments, due dates, assignees, and more. It's handy if you need to bring a specific issue to a meeting or just want to keep hard copies for your records. Just a quick tip. Before you print, double-check that you've included any details you really need within that task, so nothing important goes missing. Now, suppose you're looking to print a whole list of tasks, not just one. ClickUp doesn't have a built-in feature to print the entire list directly, but don't worry, there's a neat workaround that works surprisingly well. All you have to do is use your computer's snipping tool. If you're on Windows, search for snipping tool in your Start menu. On a Mac, you can use Shift plus Command plus 4 for a screenshot selection. Open up the view with all your tasks visible, then grab the snipping tool or whatever screenshot method you prefer and select the area of the screen that shows your task list. This essentially takes a picture of your list just as it appears. Once you've saved the snip, you can open that file and send it straight to your printer. It's a bit like taking a photograph of a whiteboard during a meeting. You capture everything at a glance with all the context right there. Don't worry if the snip includes a bit of extra detail outside the list. You can crop it if you like, but the key is getting your tasks printed out quickly, no extra searching required. Now let's talk about printing ClickUp docs. If you're working on documentation, meeting notes, or long project briefs inside ClickUp, you might want to print these out for offline use or export them into another format. Start by navigating to your doc within ClickUp. You'll usually find your docs listed off to the side. Once you've opened the doc you want, look for the export option. You'll find it on the right side of your document window. Click there and you'll see several choices. Not only can you print directly from here, but you can also export your doc as a PDF, HTML, or even Markdown if you need it in another application or for archiving. Choosing the right format matters. Printing is fast for hard copies, while exporting to PDF is perfect for sharing polished, unchangeable copies. If you're new to exporting, don't stress, ClickUp makes it super straightforward, and the exported files usually look just like your online doc. And that's it. Printing from ClickUp is simple once you know where to look and how to use these helpful tricks. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical ClickUp tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks so much for watching. Happy printing!